Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to MB again. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we'll discuss about CMAT exam. And a lot of students are having lot of queries regarding CMAT. So I have come up with some information for you. Those students who are joined lately to my channel, guys, what you have to do? Please do subscribe to my channel. I do make content regarding CAT, SAT, NMAT, SNAP exam, and it is quite helpful for you. So if you are planning to go for CMAT, there are two types of students who go for CMAT. First thing, whose CAT, SAT, and MAT is not went well, and second type of students who are not comfortable with strong aptitude. These people often go for CMAT. So 2025 batch forms are out. If I talk about CMAT, it is a national level entrance exam which is conducted by NTA and it is accepted by 100 plus institutes such as JBIMS, KS Somaya, Wellinger, BIMTech, Pumba. If I talk about the CMAT pattern, 100 questions, 400 marks. And it concludes five sections: quant, DI, that is the first session. Second session, logical reasoning, language comprehension, general awareness, and innovation and entrepreneurship. If I talk about CMAT as a whole, let me go to the website itself so that you will get a better idea. Right now, this is the admission, I would say the form application that opened by NTA few days ago. And यहाँ आप देख सकते हो कि CMAT is conducted by National Testing Agency and it is a computer based test. So you have to write your test in computer. The form applications have started. The form filling time is 17th October to 17th November. So you need to understand ki you are going to have very less time to fill up the form. Last days for fee submission is 18 November up to 11:50 p.m. And post that they will talk about the city, they will talk about the admit card, date of exam, duration they have explicitly mentioned almost 3 hours, timing. All these things will be definitely coming on the CMAT website. You need to check it out. Also मैं बहुत वीडियोस बनाऊंगा regarding CMAT, how you should prepare for CMAT, what should be the content for CMAT, right? Now if I talk about how you should apply through CMAT, you need to go through this cmatnta.nic.in website. वहां जाके आपको फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ेगा. Now what happens, there are a lot of students who face issues in terms of form filling, right? So that's how I thought I should make a video on it. तो आपको सबसे पहले सीमेट की वेबसाइट पे जाएगा, यू विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ फोरम. इसमें यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन कॉमन मैनेजमेंट एडमिशन टेस्ट. राइट, वंस यू क्लिक ऑन दिस यू विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ फोरम, जहां आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म नंबर, पासवर्ड, सिक्योरिटी पिन, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगा. यू नीड टू लॉग इन योर सेल्फ. राइट, देर आर थ्री स्टेप. सबसे पहले ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, फॉर्म फिल करना है, फी पे करनी है. ठीक है. नाउ इनिशियली आपने ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लिया, राइट, आपने प्रोफाइल बना ली. पोस्ट दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द CMAT fees. If I talk about general category, for male, you need to pay out almost 2000 rupees. For female, 1000 rupees. For general, EWS, SC, ST, PWC, OBC, male candidate, you need to pay 1000 rupees. Female, 1000 rupees. Third gender, you can definitely apply for CMAS and you have to pay 1000 rupees. पोस्ट दैट जैसे आप लॉग इन करते हो वेबसाइट पे, देन दे आस्क यू फॉर आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ. आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, जो भी आइडेंटिटी कार्ड आपके पास है, आई वुड डेफिनेटली टेल यू कि आधार कार्ड आपके पास होना चाहिए, सो दैट इट इज वन ऑफ द नेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज कार्ड. राइट, जैसे आप आधार कार्ड डाल देते हो एंड वंस यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, I have an Aadhaar card and I wish to create login using my Aadhaar and I wanted to give my consent using my Aadhaar card, right? Once you click on it, पैन कार्ड के दे सकते हो, पासपोर्ट पे दे सकते हो, यू कैन गिव ABCID. बट आई फील कि आधार कार्ड इज अ सेफ ऑप्शन दैट इज अवेलेबल फॉर यू. राइट, अगर आपने आधार कार्ड दे दिया, देन यू विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म, जिसमें आपका नेम, योर फादर नेम, योर मदर नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, जेंडर, आइडेंटिटी, identification number, all these details you have to fill it out. Right, post that, lot of students are asking me regarding bhaiya how I'm having issue in terms of form filling. Right, I'll sit with you, I'll help you in terms of form filling. Then once you get into the portal itself, you need to talk about and you need to put information about your locality, country, state, district, pin code. In terms of email address, I always tell people कि जब भी आप MBA करने जा रहे हो, तब ऐसे सोच के जाओ कि यू नीड टू हैव अनदर ईमेल आईडी। उसके थ्रू आप कैट, जैट, जीमैट, सीमैट, एमबीएसीटी सबके फॉर्म्स वहां फिल कर सकते हो, राइट? पोस्ट दैट, टॉक अबाउट ईमेल एड्रेस, टॉक अबाउट मोबाइल नंबर, यू नीड टू ऐड योर मोबाइल नंबर। जब ये इंफॉर्मेशन फिल करोगे, देन इट विल आस्क यू फॉर अ पासवर्ड। तो आप एक बेसिक पासवर्ड याद रखो। यू नीड टू ऐड दिस पार्ट और नोट डाउन दिस पासवर्ड, because it will be very handy for you in terms of form filling, जब result देखोगे और you wanted to know more about the information, right? उसके नीचे once you get into it, you will have to fill out the security pin। वो ये security pin डालते you have to click on that submit button। but before that, CMAT will ask you to check out these details। इन डिटेल में आपको कैंडिडेट नेम, फादर नेम, मदर नेम, जेंडर, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस, नॉर्मल एड्रेस, ये सब चेक करना है एक बार बिफोर फिलिंग द फॉर्म। एंड देन यू हैव टू सबमिट द फॉर्म। जैसे सबमिट करोगे यू विल गेट द ओटीपी ऑन द फोन नंबर। देन इट विल आस्क यू फॉर द एग्जाम सेंटर डिटेल्स। अभी स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत इश्यू आ जाता है कि भैया मैं ऑप्शंस में क्या डालूं। देखो, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र तो ट्राई करो कि ये चारों भी ऑप्शंस में पुट आउट महाराष्ट्र, और उसके बाजू में इफ यू आर फ्रॉम नांदेड़, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम औरंगाबाद, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम मुंबई, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम ठाणे, नासिक, पुणे, राइट? देन ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ इट, talk about your location, your exam location, I would say. But the people from outside of Maharashtra, guys, what you have to do, you have to talk about first location which is Maharashtra, second Gujarat, third whatever option that you wanted to choose। तो it depends on you, आपको कैसे चूज करना है। देन इट विल आस्क यू फॉर द फोटो एंड सिग्नेचर। आपको जेपीजी एंड जेपीजी फॉर्मेट में फोटो बनाना चाहिए। मिनिमम साइज इज 10 KB, मैक्सिमम इज ऑलमोस्ट 200 KB फॉर फोटो, एंड इसमें अपलोड करनी है। सिग्नेचर यू कैन मेक इट आउट, मिनिमम साइज इज 4 KB, मैक्सिमम साइज इज 100 KB। अगेन इसमें जाके आपको अपलोड करनी है। अभी स्टूडेंट को इशू आता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ फोटो एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ सिग्नेचर। तो देर आर सम ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर दिस प्लेटफॉर्म गोना हेल्प यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिड्यूस द साइज। जब भी फोटो की साइज होती है, लेट्स से कुछ कुछ लोगों की 400, 500, 600 KB हो जाती है, तो ट्राई टू रिड्यूस using these online portals, which will be very handy for you। Post that, if you're having any queries regarding CMAT, guys, please put it into comment box, or you can connect and you can join my WhatsApp। I can definitely help you out। Lastly, students are asking me why you should give the CMAT exam। I'll talk about the colleges, I'll talk about the fees and average placement। JBIMS fees is around 6 to 8 lakh rupees, and you are gonna get package in between 20 to 25 lakh rupees। So you can understand ROI आपका 30-35% है। Second one in the list is Sidnam। Fees is around 2 to 3 lakh rupees, and you are gonna get package around 15 to 16 lakh rupees। Third one in the list is KJ Somaiya। Fees is quite high, but you will get a decent ROI। The problem with KJ Somaya is the batch size। Fourth one in the list is Wellinger. Again, fees is around 14 lakh rupees, and you will get a package around 11 to 12 lakh rupees। So 70% ROI मिल जाता है KJ Somaya and Wellinger। Fifth one in the list is Christ University. Again, fees is 4 to 6 lakh rupees, and you'll get a 7 to 8 lakh rupees package। Next one in the list is IFMR, which is present in Chennai itself। Packages goes around 13 to 14 LP, and this is a pretty decent insurance। Post that, NIBM, if you wanted to really do an MBA in banking and finance, go for NIBM। Packages range in between 10 to 14 lakh rupees। Post that, ZIS, Xavier Institute of Social Service, फीस गोज अराउंड 8 to 9 lakh rupees, एंड पैकेज भी अराउंड 9 to 10 lakh के आसपास मिल जाएगा। लास्ट टू बी स्कूल विच आर प्रेजेंट देयर इज जयपुरिया एंड SIS। जयपुरिया, there are 3 institutes, but Rajasthan is a decent institute that is present there। Packages range in between 10 to 13 LPA। Almost 80 to 125% ROI मिल जाएगा जयपुरिया। Last one in the list, SIS, fees is around 6 to 10 LPA, and you will get a package around 8 to 10 LPA, 70% ROI। So this is all about CMAT exam। Agar you are not confident when it comes to CAT and ZAT, and again you think that you are from Mumbai or you are closer to the Mumbai area and you wanted to do MBA in Mumbai itself, then you should definitely go for CMAT। It is quite easy exam। Uh, a lot of students are having queries regarding the exam itself। I'll make videos in the upcoming। Stay tuned for further videos and do subscribe to my channel।